remember there was this one little girl. She tells me this story where her grandparents were murdered. She basically was fending for herself. I mean, she had to navigate some of the most dangerous areas of the world. She went from El Salvador through a multitude of countries, and ended up in Mexico. When she's lost her family, she almost lost her life. She crossed a desert by herself, almost died of dehydration. Despite that, she says, oh, well, I think New York's scarier. You know, I'm scared what happens if I'm sent back. I have nowhere to go to. And you know, there's so much hustle and bustle. The city's so chaotic.
We've seen children who have been subject to domestic violence, to rape, and really have no choice but to come here because they can't live in their home country any longer.
If a child didn't have legal assistance, as a practical matter, the child would most likely lose his or her case. So it's incredibly important that pro bono attorneys fill that gap.
Safe Passage organizes pro bono counsel for minor children who are in deportation proceedings. A lot of the corporate attorneys actually never see the inside of a courtroom.
Sometimes for junior associates like myself, it's hard to get client interaction time, drafting experience, and courtroom experience.
One of the first cases I worked with, we were able to help the child to get his green card and go to college.
It was really an opportunity to think and strategize with the other attorney from my firm with whom I worked and come up with as many creative, out-of-the-box ideas as we could to be sure that we were advocating as strongly as possible for our clients.
They tell you what you need to know. They walk you through it. They practice with you. They teach it to you.
You're not just pushing papers. You're not just sitting behind a desk. You're really learning about the law.
She's doing really well, and she's going to keep doing well. I have no doubt that we're going to get her status.
You're changing the life of a human being.